Welcome to EagleMindUSA. Test your knowledge about the United States. Can you score 5 out of 5? Let's start. Question 1. What is the name of the U.S. Space Agency? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is NASA. Question 2. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on July 4th? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is Independence Day. Question 3. What is the U.S. tech hub called? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is Silicon Valley. Question 4. Which U.S. state is known for volcanoes? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is Hawaii. Question 5. How many amendments are in the U.S. Constitution? You have 5 seconds. The correct answer is 27. How many did you get right? Like, share and subscribe EagleMindUSA.